why having 1 million Zbcn coins is so important. In this video, we're going to discuss this topic, why we believe it's going to be life-changing to hold these coins, and where we think Zbcn is going. By the way, disclaimer, this is for hodlers and investors videos. This is not for like traders, day traders, swing traders. All right, this is more for people that want to hold for long term to the top of the cycle. All right, so let's dive into the video. By the way, guys, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to this channel, cook the bell, get yourself Bitunix account with the link below if you trade from the US, Canada, Australia, wherever, UK. Get the account, man. It's amazing. It's amazing. The best exchange I've been trading in the last 8 years. No VPN, no KYC, the cheapest trading fees ever. Try it out. Let's dive into the video. Okay, so Zbcn, man, Zbcn is the daddy. All right, now look, we believe Zbcn is going to go between 10 cents to $1. Okay, in these moves. Okay, in the moves we are. Okay, now we're going to refresh your memory where we believe we are in the big picture of Zbcn. Okay, so let's look log scale. Okay, this is log scale. Okay, this is your breakout. That was your base. Okay, that was the base. Okay, this is the beginning of the bull run. Okay, you know, I'll mark it like this. Okay, this is the beginning of the Zbcn bull run. Okay, it just started here in April. Okay, that was the beginning. Okay, that was the beginning. Most other crap coins out there, they already had their market cycle. They are cooked, overbought. No one is going to buy them. No institutions, no smart money is going to buy them. They are cooked. Maybe they're going to trade them, but they're not going to hodl them. Only dumb folks buying wrecked coins. Zbcn is different. It's different. Why it's different? It just broke to a new bull market. That was it. Now, okay? Remember, Bitcoin started the bull market in January 2023. Zbcn started its bull cycle in April 2025. You know me, you get me, man. Okay, so people need to know how to measure stuff. They don't have monkeys. All of them are monkeys. But anyway, if you watch this video, you're a Zbcn fan and you have some brains in your brains. So man, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Now, okay, so look, this was the beginning of Zbcn bull cycle. Okay, usually bull cycles, you have 3 waves up and 2 small waves, corrective waves down. Okay, now we believe wave 1 is done. All right, here, wave 1 for Zbcn is done. Now we are in wave 2. Okay, now we believe we completed leg 2. Okay, wave 2, but wave 2 can be something like that as well. It can do a double bottom and it will all be a wave 2. It could do a higher low type of a consolidation, and then you're gonna break to the wave 3. Okay, so we will collect more data as the price action reveal itself, because it's a story. Trading and investing, the coin is telling you a story. You need to read a lot of books to be able to understand which stories are golden and legendary and which stories are garbage that you want to stay away from them. So Zbcn, we believe, is unfolding a beautiful story, a fairy tale type of a story. And we are now in, I think, I think we finished leg 1, and at the moment, as long as this low is holding, we finish leg 2. Okay, now we believe we are in leg 3. Okay, wave 3, which we have completed first wave up inside this wave 3. Okay, so now we're looking for a move down to conclude wherever, whatever. Then you're gonna have another leg up, another pullback, and another leg up. Once this move will be over, we're gonna have another big corrective leg, and then we're gonna have another, we believe, another final mega pump. Okay, extended 5th leg. That's what we believe. Now we believe the Zbcn, I will show you the price prediction now. Guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, cook the bell, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to it, and share it on your X. If you watch this video on X, look at this. This is the fib extension. You take the first leg up, you measured it like this, bam. Okay, First target here for this little wave, okay, that we are now in. We're talking about huge cycle, okay. We're talking about this little wave, okay, that probably gonna move, probably gonna happen between now and September, October, and then you're gonna have correction and another one, okay. So remember, this is now we're looking for a move to the this one. We're looking for a move minimum to the 9 cent or 10 cent area here. Obviously, if it will be very, very, very bullish, okay, it might go a bit higher. Okay, then we're gonna have a kind of a correction and another leg up. That's what we believe. Okay, so having 1 million Zbcn, in my opinion, is no-brainer for a crypto investor. Okay, for a crypto investor, is a no-brainer because people holding crap. They holding Caspa, they holding Bitcoin, they holding whatever rubbish. They holding what they hold. Rubbish, man. They're holding rubbish. If you're a crypto hodler or investor, you already holding rubbish. Why not holding something that have a high probability to perform very, very well? Okay, now let's look on some market cap. Where is this market cap stuff? Okay, let's look on Zbcn. By the way, guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Repost it on X, please. Repost it on your X, and follow me on X. By the way, follow me on X at Crypto Mindset 4. That's my handle on X. ZEBECNETWORK. Okay, look at this. Now, why I like ZEBECNETWORK, man, a lot. It's an underfollowed coin at the moment. It's still page free. If you're looking on like coins, most people look on the top 50, top 100 names. Okay, not a lot of people are watching the smaller names. Okay, now this coin is very, very special in my opinion because it's on page free. It has big volume. It's on Solana. It's on Solana blockchain. All right, market cap is very small. It's for it to 10x, it will go to 3 billion.7 from now. 10x. All right. So 10x. So let's say you have you throw 100K in generally now, or in generally buying, investing in it now. Like I will show you what a strategy to invest in Zbcn in a moment, but make sure to smash the like and stay with us in the video. A 10x is something very, 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 in my opinion, small to ask. Again, that's my 2 cents. I might be wrong. Now, show you an investing strategy that you might follow on Zbcn. Now, look, at the moment, we're now in a correction phase. Okay, now it's like a correction, kind of a pullback. You have this. This is again. I think it's gonna print some very beautiful pattern that will be amazing, really. So for me, if you are a Zbcn investor, just DCA. If you don't care about price, you don't care about stops, risk management, all this stuff, you're just a buyer, and you're looking to sell. Let's say once things going 10x or whatever, start cashing out, because you gotta have some kind of an exit strategy. Don't be a clown, don't be a monkey. Okay, you know what I mean. We're here for dollars, not for But anyway, look, to me it looks like it's going to do maybe it's gonna go lower here. Maybe it's gonna pull back a little bit here, something like this, squeeze, all right, and then we'll see if it's going to break the downtrend. Okay, maybe it will stall here, squeeze, and then that will be a beauty. That will be unbelievable trade. So for me, again, I'm a trader. I'm a breakout trader. I'm a Zbcn MEXC. That means I'm buying it when it's breaking out and going up. I'm not buying it when it's going sideways, because I'm a trader. You know what I mean? I'm looking for the best place to buy when it's immediately going to go up in value once I'm buying. That's my goal as a trader. By the way, if you want to get all my trade alerts, market updates, support, join VIP or join Elite VIP if you want to be my personal student and to get the best service in the world. Join Elite VIP. Now, this is where we're going. Again, we are watching it. It's the most important coin to us in the community. We are watching it as a hawk. It was the best trade for us in May. It was one of the best trades for us in July. And I believe it's going to be one of the best trades for us this cycle. We're watching it as a hawk. We're waiting for the next entry. Now, or it's gonna do that, I told you, or it's gonna rip from here, or it's gonna pull back and chop further. Okay, it can do that as well. Okay, it can do that, you know. Anyway, either way, once it's giving me the buy signal, I'm buying, I'm loading up. Now, just to sum it up, having a 100K Zbcn or 1 million coin Zbcn is like no-brainer for investors. That's my 2 cents. This is not a financial advice. We don't care what you do, or if you buy whatever. This is not a financial advice to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Okay, nothing here is a financial advice, pure entertainment. By the way, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. What do you think about Zbcn? What do you think about Zbcn? You want to know what do you think about Zbcn? You believe in it? You think it's a scam? You think it's a banger? What do you think, sir? And by the way, really, this is the best time to join our membership. And the bull market is going to be over in a couple of months' time, max. Okay, join our VIP, get all our trade alerts, all our market updates. Anything you need, man. General support. You can pay with crypto. We have the 25% off running here. If you pay on the WAP, you just type it on the checkout. 25% off on all our trading programs. By the way, while Zbcn was doing nothing, man, just have to show you a trade we took in the membership that went triple already. Triple, okay? Just to show you, man, how to really, you know, how people trade crypto markets. Okay, so this is a trade. This is a trade AIOT. You can see we shared it in the membership August 7th. AIOT buying some buy now. The price was 43, double the size on the break of 466. Look at AIOT, man. Look at AIOT, man. Look at AIOT. That was our entry right here. 43 in 46. You might don't think it's a lot, but it's a mega move. I will show you the regular scale. Look at the regular scale. Okay, that was our first 2 entries. Then we bought the dip here. Okay, we bought the dip here at 56. But anyway, if you measure it from the first 2 entries, man, members are printing. This is already going 280%. That's insanity. That's almost 4x the bag. Okay, the runner, man. Do yourself a favor. This is the best community to be in, the best service to be in crypto by far. There's nothing like that, man. All the other communities and services, they don't know what they're doing, man. They're buying wrecked coins in a downtrend instead of finding the market leaders. If you want to trade the market leaders, join our membership, life-changing. And if you trade with more than 6-digit, you know, you're tired of losing money. You're tired not understanding markets and not knowing what you're doing. You're tired from all this clown market, and you want to really become a professional trader investor, and you want the best service that we can offer to you. Join the Elite VIP. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.